What was that one core insight, the biggest friction point that the dental providers were not able to solve?
It requires a significant amount of capital investment. You need the right chairs, you need high-speed rotors, you need compressors, you need X-ray machines, you need sterilization. So there's a fair bit of capital investment that is required. Majority of our doctors who are graduating may not have access to that capital. If you did have that kind of capital investment, perhaps you start from the right level and you can move forward.
Choosing a dentist, which of these factors are more important?
Consumers are fundamentally looking for a healthcare provider they can trust from a perspective of good quality, convenient, reasonably priced. So therefore, when it comes to dental, we are most concerned about someone who will not give me a lot of pain and someone who won't rip me off, right? And who's neat and clean. It's not just treatment quality, but also the equipment and infrastructure and materials.
What are some of the systems, sanitizations, ways in which you ensure that the care that I will get in Flow Dental Saket is very similar to the care that I will get in Flow Dental Kormangla?
We spend a lot of time on training. Just hiring A doctors and training them to become A+ is not sufficient. Our infrastructure, there's an audit twice a month. When the patient leaves a chair, that every single chair is re-sterilized, we use AI.
Manpower cost is one of the highest cost line item in your P&L. How happy are you with the education pipeline and that feeds this raw material into your system?
We tend to normalize everybody into how do you use technology, how do you deal with integrity issues, how do you deal with price collection, how do you deal with engaging with difficult customers. So we spend some time on training and normalizing our doctors on technology, systems, processes, difficult patient handling, how do you handle teams, because sometimes they've never worked in a large team network. So those are the skills that we would add on to their extremely competent, high clinical skills.
If you were to invest 3 checks of $1 million each on somebody building an early venture in the healthcare space, what would those spaces be?
So I think I would be in healthcare tech. I would do in training, skill development, and then I will also do on manufacturing equipment and infrastructure.